Right here is the ground aerial controls for your 2650. From left to right, we've got turret rotation, scissors up and down, upper boom up and down, telescope in and out, basket rotation, and basket tilt. Up here, we've got a key selector switch with our 4 different positions: drive, neutral, ground aerial, and basket. We've got our electric motor counter and diesel counter as well for the engine hours. Emergency stop button, you always push to engage and twist to disengage. We've got our engine start and stop, charger light, and we have the control settings if you want the machine to go slower or if you want the machine to go faster for the aerial controls. And then this is the bypass. In case of the machine gets unlevel while you operate, you can push and hold this so you can operate the controls. To start your engine, you will always select your controls for your key selector switch to ground aerial. Push and hold for the start button. Your charger light will turn on. You'll see the diesel engine hour meter start ticking down and the engine will start. Once as the engine starts, you will keep holding the engine start until 4 seconds after, then let go. Demonstrating right here so you can see the counter. And to stop your engine, push and hold to stop. Once as your machine is level with your 2650 and you're ready to get inside the basket, make sure you are in ground aerial mode. Raise the upper boom. And then you will move over to the boom rest and you will fold that boom rest down to get the upper boom down. Once as the upper boom is up, in order to get the upper boom down so someone can get inside the basket, you will lift the boom rest up and rotate it into its locked position right here. Once as the boom rest is folded in, you will then come over here and lower the boom all the way down to where it is right now so you can very easily get inside the bucket. When you're ready to fly your 2650, simply take your key selector switch, go from ground aerial to basket mode. Take your radio remote basket controller, make sure the emergency stop button is out. Turn on your electronic controller. You'll hear a beep. After the beep, push and hold the green button. You'll hear a click on the engine, on the machine. After that, you'll have full access to the machine. Aerial operations, twist the joysticks in order to operate the joysticks. This joystick up and down is going to be your upper boom up and down. Left and right is going to be your turret rotation. This joystick up and down is going to be your scissors or lower boom up and down. And left to right is going to be your telescope in and out. You've got 2 buttons over here. You've got basket functions and hydraulic on. For basket functions, you simply push and hold the basket functions, and then you will actuate these 2 toggle switches right here. This toggle switch is basket rotation, left and right, and this toggle switch is basket leveling, up and down. You do also have engine start and stop with this toggle switch right here. And coming back to here, hydraulic on. This turns on your pole saw for the hydraulic systems. When you're ready to fly your 2650 and you've already hooked up your basket radio remote, you'll take your basket radio remote, put it into the mount in the basket, take the pin, lock it in place, take the cotter pin, lock it in place, so it will not move. On your basket, over here is your basket leveling. Now you can level your basket by pushing and hold your basket function and your basket tilt. You do want to make sure you are within the green in your basket. Right here is your harness lockdown point, and this is your hydraulic pole saw. Special considerations in flying your 2650, one of which is going to be this scissor rest right here in conjunction with the scissor rest back here. The way this machine works is that if you are not properly lined up with the scissor rest, it will not let you go all the way down. However, if you are properly lined up, it'll let you go all the way down to the scissor rest. In order to operate the telescope in and out, you do have to make sure that the scissors is up past this point back here. Once as it is, it'll unlock your telescope so you can have telescopic functions on your boom.